In this challenge, I turned $100 into $1,000 flipping brick sneakers. Now last episode, you watched me struggle with not being able to go to the malls, not being able to go to the outlet stores, and pretty much just having to take the whole brick flipping challenge online. Now honestly, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not 100% against it because I have a lot of people who ask me in the comments like, bro, how do I do this if I don't have stores or whatever in my area? So I'm glad to be able to show them as well. If you've seen last episode, then you also seen that I end up hitting on a hype but not so hype release, the Hyper Royal Mid Jordan 1s. So we got the shoe in, we listed it on eBay. From our last flip, we grew our pot to $150, but of course we had to dip into that $125 to buy the Hyper Royal 1s. So now our pot is currently sitting at $25 with hopes that we can get at least $175 for the pair of shoes we got now, bringing our pot to $200. So enough of me talking, let's jump right into the challenge. Now here's the thing, it's very possible to flip bricks on the internet, right? But it's really important to be a part of a cook group because honestly, they can help you with doing that. A lot of the bricks that I'm finding is because I'm in a cook group and they're actually monitoring this for me. So I want to be transparent about that part too. And see, honestly, the key to reselling period is like having something to fall back on when the hype releases ain't coming, because you were reselling in January, then you needed something to supplement. And another thing that I wanted to just let you know is that in a challenge like this is going to start off hard because honestly, we starting with a pretty low budget. But once we cross over probably the 200 mark, then I promise you it's going to go way faster. But I just want to show you from the ground up just to be more relatable and show you that, hey, you can do this as well. Now, I'm going to just be real with you, bro. I thought these shoes would sell fast and honestly for a good margin. They sold out on Nike. They sold out everywhere that I seen them sold. So I really, for the life of me, could not figure it out. But on this challenge, we try to take everything as a learning experience. And whenever this happens, what we can learn is that pretty much means there just ain't a lot of demand for this product. Now, that's very realistic because you know these new sneakerheads be hating on mids these days. However, I was still shocked to see that these weren't selling, because the thing I hate the most, and especially trying to do a challenge like this, is holding on to inventory. Alright, now I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to regret this purchase. I should have stuck with non-hype bricks, bro. Not borderline hype bricks, but just straight out non-hype bricks. At this point, they've been up for 3 days. I probably got about 50 views, which either lets me know my title is wrong or I just got it priced wrong. I got them currently sitting at about $175 with I'm accepting offers as well. So my next plan is to take these locally. Just a piece of game, bro, for all my people out there that's been watching me, bro. Whenever something ain't working, we gotta just switch it up and do something different. I did get one offer on eBay, but it's one of those janky fake offers. Now, for those of you that are curious and ask about the eBay scams, right? Here's one of the most common ones. I'm gonna lay it out to you. Let's say your price for an item, let's keep it simple. Let's say it's $100, right? They'll come in, send you an offer for $200, which is twice as much as you're asking for it, try to lure you off eBay in order to make the transaction. Then they make a fake PayPal email, right? And you get this fake email from PayPal telling you basically that this person sent the money, but you can't get it until it's shipped. That's where it confuses people, because PayPal does sometimes hold your money till an item is received. However, they do it till it's received, not shipped, all right? So the scammer wants you to send out the package, because honestly, once you send it, there's nothing you can do. Always check for that, and the email is gonna look janky. It's not gonna look real. However, if you can't spot it by the obvious errors, then that's one that I'm telling you you can look for. Now, honestly, outside of that, these shoes are like some super bricks. Nobody appears to want these. Because of that, the challenge becomes pretty stagnant. I mean, they only really selling for an average of $125 to $150 on eBay right now, which wouldn't give me much profit at all. However, that's the reality of sneaker reselling, especially when you're trying to flip bricks, bro. Especially if you're starting with a super low budget. It's cool though, because we're gonna pull out our virtual notebooks, and what we're gonna say is, note to selves, we will only cop if we know we can sell them for a profit and know we can sell them fast. Now, this is also where you hear me say experience is the best teacher. I do want to make this very clear though. You could hold a shoe like this, all right? There's nothing that says this shoe won't be double the value next year. Honestly, I'm pretty sure it will be. However, if you're not into holding and you're trying to get a quick flip, or you got a YouTube channel and you're trying to finish a challenge, the chances just ain't where it's at, bro, because we can be holding on to this for weeks and we honestly don't want to do that right now. However, don't panic because we still gonna get through this. All right, now a lot of people been hitting me up wasting my time on Facebook Marketplace, but this guy kind of sounds serious. He just messaged me. He asked me if I could take 120 for him. He said his teenage son actually tried to get these and missed them. Now, honestly, I would be losing $5, so I don't know about this. However, if he's serious, I don't think I'm gonna hold on to these no more, bro. All right, yeah, so he legit. I'm definitely finna go meet up with him right now at Starbucks and make this transaction. I definitely need to get off these shoes. All right, so I was able to get them off for 120. I know you're thinking like, bro, isn't the objective to make money and not lose money? You're right, bro, but here's a lesson in reselling and just hustling, period. You're right. We did take a $5 L. However, it was either that or hold them longer, okay? Prolong the challenge, or I could have just taken the $5 L and viewed it as paying $5 for a valuable lesson. See, because that's what it's ultimately all about, is turning losses into lessons. And the lesson we learned here is not to take chances, to only work with things that you know is gonna flip. So now our pot is really down to 145. However, I'm happy about it, but we gotta do something, man. So let me know in the comments what y'all think we need to do. Find out what we do on next episode. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.